Remember when AI could only talk back to you? Those days are over. Right now, an AI can open your computer and actually get to work, clicking, typing, scrolling, done, and nobody's hands are on the keyboard. Google just made this real, and almost nobody's ready for what it means. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let's talk about what's actually happening here, because it's way bigger than just one update. A few years ago, AI could only answer your questions. Then it started helping you draft and brainstorm things. Then it started taking over little pieces of your workflow, and now it can sit down and do the entire task from start to finish on its own. That's the line we just crossed. We've gone from chatbots that talk to agents that actually work. And an agent isn't something you ask a question to, it's something you point at a job and walk away from. And the part that should really get your attention, this isn't years away. It's here right now, inside a model that millions of people already have open in another tab. So here's exactly what dropped. Google gave Gemini 3.5 Flash a new built-in tool called Computer Use. It can see your screen, click buttons, scroll pages, fill in forms, open tabs, switch between apps, pull information from a bunch of different websites, and finish full multi-step tasks completely on its own. And here's what makes this land different from anything before it. This used to live in a separate model you had to bolt on yourself. Now it's baked right into the main Flash model. One model that can see, think, and act. Right now, it's in public preview for developers and businesses through Google's API and its enterprise agent platform. And there's even a free demo where you can watch the agent work before you build anything. Now, before you write this off as just another AI hype video, look at the numbers because they actually back it up. On a test called OS World Verified, which measures how well an AI can complete real computer tasks, Gemini 3.5 Flash scored 78.4. That puts it right up there with the best frontier models out there. But here's the part that really got me. The older Gemini 3 Flash scored 65.1. That's a massive jump in a short window. On top of that, it's roughly 4 times faster than other frontier models, and it's already beating Gemini 3.1 Pro on agent-style tasks. And speed sounds like a small detail until you realize it's everything for an agent. The faster it finishes one loop, the more loops it runs, the more it actually gets done. Companies like BrowserBase, BrowserUse, and UiPath are already building on top of this. So this isn't just a flashy demo. You might be wondering how it actually pulls this off, and it's simpler than you'd think. You give it a screen and a goal. It looks at a screenshot, decides what to click, scroll, or type, fires off that action, grabs a fresh screenshot of what just happened, and loops again, over and over until the job is done. That little loop is the entire engine behind the whole thing. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let's make this real for a second. Imagine you want to find people online who are stuck on AI tools and clearly asking for help. You give the agent one goal: go search, visit each post, grab the name and where to reach them, drop it into a clean sheet with a note on what they're struggling with. You're not touching a single tab. The agent does the searching, the reading, the sorting, all on its own. Or think about doing a content audit. You send the agent out to a handful of pages and groups in a specific niche, tell it to pull the top posts by engagement from the last month, and drop the topic, the format, and the numbers into one clean table. Now, you're not guessing what to make next. You can see exactly what's already working and build around it. That's the difference between shouting into the void and showing up with exactly what people are already looking for. Now, Handing an AI control of your actual computer is a serious move, and Google knows that, so they built in guardrails from the start. They trained the model specifically to resist prompt injection, which is when someone hides a sneaky instruction inside a web page trying to hijack the agent. On top of that, there are two optional safeguards you can switch on. One makes the agent stop and ask for your OK before doing anything risky or anything it can't undo. The other automatically shuts the task down the moment it detects a hidden injection attack. Google also recommends stacking these with secure sandboxes, a human checking the work, and tight access limits. In plain terms, it's not going to go rogue on you. You can set it to check in before anything permanent happens, so you stay in control while it handles the boring parts. And I'll be straight with you because this part actually matters. This is still early, it's a preview, it's strong on familiar, predictable screens, but it can still get tripped up by surprise pop ups, captures, and pages that load in weird ways. So go in with real expectations. It's powerful, but it's not magic. Point it at tasks that are structured and repeatable, and it holds up really well. Throw something fuzzy and creative at it on day one, and you're going to be disappointed. Here's what I keep coming back to. A year ago, this kind of thing was a research demo. Now, it's sitting inside a model people already have open right now, and it's scoring close to the best frontier models on real computer tasks. That's not a small jump that happened fast, and it tells you exactly where this is heading. Right now, you're probably doing every one of these repetitive tasks yourself, the searching, the sorting, the copying and pasting between tabs. That's you doing the job of an assistant. With something like this, you become the person handing over the goal, and the agent does the actual clicking and typing. And just like with anything else in AI right now, the skill isn't some secret trick. It's writing your goal clearly, like you're handing it to a brand new assistant on their very first day, spelling out exactly what done looks like. The clearer the goal, the cleaner the result. So think about your own week for a second. What's the one boring, repeatable task you keep doing over and over by hand? Something with clear steps and a clear finish line. That's exactly the kind of job this is built for. The agents are finally real. They're not a demo anymore. They're sitting inside tools people are already using every day. The only real question left is whether you're going to be the one running them or the one still watching everyone else figure it out first. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.